Hello guys, welcome back to Sagi Skills. In this video, we are going to learn how we can connect our Firebase to our Flutter project, and you will learn how we can add dependencies for this project. And we will create some variables so that we will get the user data like phone number, email, and password. And we will design our form so that user can fill his or her information. So first of all, let's open Android Studio. Click on it, and it's opening. And you will see this dialog box. So click on this new Flutter project here and click on next here and give your application name. So we are learning how to connect Firebase to our Flutter project. So I'm giving here Firebase underscore connect. You can give your own name which you want to give. So now click on finish here and it will create the project. As you can see, creating Flutter project. Now you will see this when the project has been created. So here just close this readme, close this and click on this Firebase underscore connect here. This is the folder, your application folder. Click on it and you will see all these things here. This is the lib where we will create our files. This is for iOS, Apple phones, and this is for web. So now open this lib and you will see this main function here, and this is the main function. This is the root of our application. So our application will run from here. So we don't want this, so minimize this and select both these classes and just press delete and remove this comment from here and this one also. And in the home, by default it's passing my home page. We don't want this, we will pass our own page. So we will pass here sign up screen and put like so. Remove this. So as you can see here, it's showing error because we don't have this file. We have to create this file. So let's create this file. Right click on lib here, new dot file, and give name sign up underscore screen. Enter. Let's import material dot and after this stateful visit. Give the name same as we are passing in home page, sorry, in main dot. Sign up screen. Make sure it's the same spelling. Its spelling is like this. Sign up screen. Now come here, click on this. It's showing error because still we did not import this file into this page. So click on this and you will see here import library. Click on this and you will see the error has gone and it has been imported here. Come to the sign up screen. Now to connect our Firebase to this Flutter project, we need some variables and we need some dependencies. Without that we cannot connect our Firebase. So let's add dependency. So come to the Google, right here pubdev, click on this dot packages, search here Firebase auth, this one Firebase, press enter, click on this first one Firebase auth. Now installing, copy this dependency, copy this, come to the Android Studio and you will see this pubspec YML. Double click on it and come below and you will see this Cupertino icon. Below this just simply paste this dependency like this. Don't give any space, just active in the same line. Now come again to the Google, we need another dependency. and write here Firebase core, press enter. This one Firebase core, click on this, installing, and copy this dependency, right click, copy, and come to the, and after this paste here. Again come to the Google. All these dependency we need to connect our Firebase. Without this we cannot process. Now we have Firebase storage, enter, click on this Firebase storage, installing, and copy this, come to Android Studio, and after this paste, and here is space, remove this space, we don't want this space. If you give little bit space, your dependency will not work. Make sure you make like everything same line. Now come back again to the Google. We need another dependency. Right here cloud Firestore, click on this one, installing, copy this and come to the Android Studio, and after this paste like this. Now we need another dependency to pick our image from phone gallery. So write image picker, enter, image picker, this one, installing, and this dependency is used to get image from our phone. I mean to give access to our phone gallery, and after this paste. Now we have all the dependency which we required right now. So click on this propagate now soon, and it will be added in our project. And now as you can see with exit code 0 it has been successfully added. Now close this. Now let's create some variables which we required to connect our Firebase. So here before this override, and here we have to say final pick URL equal to null. We will get this from user profile, and here we have to say file this .io and put question mark, and the variable will be underscore image, and make sure import this .io here, don't html.io. So after this we need controller to get the user data like email, password, phone. So write here text adding controller underscore controller name, controller I mean name, write like this, and equals to text adding controller, put semicolon. Now we need the same variables 3-4 times more, so copy for saving time and paste 2-3 times like this, and change here this name to email. We are getting email, here we are getting phone, and here we are getting password. So all these variables to get the email, password and phone of user. And we will use form in this project to connect our Firebase. So to create a form like means email address, phone number, details of user I mean, so we have to create one form. So to use a form we need a variable, it will be key. So for that write here global, and here write form state, write same as I'm writing here, and variable name will be form key, and it will be equals to global key, and write here form state like this, form state, and put semicolon, and before here make finally like this. Now error has gone. So all these variable we need, and one more thing here write Firebase auth equals to Firebase auth dot instance. It is for to access our Firebase. So now we need all these this variable to get the image profile image, and we will save in this all images image we will which user will select from phone, and these are the controllers where we are storing password, email, phone number of user from the user, and this variable to get to connect our Firebase to this project. This for that. Now in the next video we will continue this and we will connect our Firebase. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.